Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. I went crazy with the hot glue gun, building some perpendicular perches and refreshing the fractured figured out fountain for J and K. Check this out, everybody. I made a new perch setup for the little birds, and they absolutely love it. They are going absolutely bananas over this new little perch setup I got them. And I actually made it originally to set up upside down. See the rocks at the bottom? To weight it down and hold it down, and it turned out to be a little too unstable. I need to make some little spread out little legs or something that'll work at perches when it's flipped back upside down, because they knock it over when they take off flying from the very, when it's upside down, the top there. Well, look at that. See, I got it set up with 2 strings on a little pivot, so it does a little swing back and forth, and it does a little rotate side to side, and again, kind of making it back and forth. So it's another interesting dynamic compared to the double-sided mirror on the rubber band. In fact, I hooked it up to the little jar now, so when they take off from it real hard, it makes a little dinging noise. You've heard of some of that footage. Well, hi. What do you think of the new birds, buddy? Hi, KK. Hi, KK. What you doing today? Hey, Jaybird. Come on, check it out. Come on, check it out. Yeah. See, I told you guys love this thing. Absolutely love this thing. Well, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What do you think? What do you think of the new perch? I think it's awesome. I think it's absolutely delicious. I'll put the little treat hanging in there. I'll put a string in the center. Give them something to reward for. A reason to perch and explore. But you can see they don't even care about that so much as they care about just checking this perch out. They're really loving this thing. Alright, he finally made it to the top. Jaybird made it to the top. That's first time. Yay, Jay! What do you got to say today, buddy? You made it all the way to the top. Yay, Jay made it all the way to the top. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Something else I did when I got the hot glue gun out, by the way, I made me a little light bar. And I got me a box of new titanium tweeters and aluminum castings that supposedly handle like 300 watts. They're a little overpowered, so I had to cover it up a bit. I've actually got some, what do you call them, some resistors on the way. So far I've spent about $165 on 10 capacitors, 8 tweeters, and 5 main speakers with 4 tweeters working. I could send 2 of them back and have a total of 3 for about $60 to $65 off, making a total of about $100 to $105. To try to make a little custom setup out of it and fix it up better. And what's so cool about the light bar is the different modes. Let's see if I can get up over to the switch with my other hand here. There we go. Yes, well, I'm watching the birds on YouTube. But it almost looks like it's moving when you're just sitting back and watching TV out the corner of your eyes. And it's experimental. I haven't quite figured out exactly how I want to do this in the long run. Sorry, it's getting shaky. It's hard to hold this thing up with one hand. This tablet's light for a tablet, but heavy again when you're trying to stretch it out and not cover up microphones or touch the screen. I really need a real camera to do this right. There we go. These are the kind of effects I was talking about. You just kind of sit back and watch it. It looks kind of like it's moving. And honestly, when you look at it from the bedroom or bathroom back this way, it almost looks like a white light when they're all on, which is making me think maybe I should make a diffuser or something for this here. And watch when this speeds up a little bit, it'll start to look like it's moving a little faster. It's pretty crazy looking. Come on, move fast. There we go. So you kind of look like it's moving. Back to the mode I was at. And then there's one of these modes where it'll actually go through all of these different camera light setups. I think this is it. There we go, yeah, see it'll. Dummy me, I left the air conditioner on, but there's so much bird noise in the background, you can barely notice it. But kind of neat for some cool effects. Oh, and if you stayed this long, check out this little bonus. I really went bananas with the hot glue gun, and I figured out fountain parts, and went ahead and created a much better fountain out of it so that they can actually take a little bath in it too. Let's see. And yeah, so those are all the glue gun creations I've been working on lately. I gotta get all those extra tweeters set up on these other speakers when I get those resistors in, so I can get rid of this tape right there. Put that tweeter back in one of those little mini speakers I got, and I'll probably take the 2 tweeters there and there that are still good, and end up putting them into KLHs, because one of those is a mismatch and one of those is original, but those are real bright and chirpy like those. So that'll be some updates for the HiFi home theater. And I got a box of 2 more of them right there, brand new, that I'm not sure if I need to send back or if I'm going to keep them or what, but I'll probably try to keep them if I don't get my money back for them, and end up setting them back up there and over here. But I gotta take all this out real soon if I want to get these all set up in here right. Well, I guess this is a good time to stop.
Answer the phone, Joshua.
See you next time.